I'm going to show you how to make arm wraps using CosBond's attachment build that are easy to put on and won't slide off. Start by cutting strips of fabric for your wrap. Trace out enough attachment build to stick it to a zipper. Cut, peel, and stick your wrap to your zipper. Wrap the strip around your arm and mark it right before the other side of your zipper. Cut your wrap and then peel and stick it to the other side. Repeat this down the entire length of your zipper, making sure to overlap the fabric. Now do the same thing for the opposite arm. Now we have 2 arm wraps that are easy to put on and off with no mess, no fumes, and no dry time.